to be successful in ELA class. So there are 3 important websites that you need to be aware of and check daily, Monday through Friday, for ELA class. The first one is PowerSchool. PowerSchool is important because PowerSchool houses your official grades, meaning if I were to run a report card, this is where your report card would be run from. Keep in mind, in PowerSchool, you can click on your overall grade for the quarter, and it will break down the assignments that are making up that grade. If you have any assignments that have a 0 with an orange missing flag, you want to make those up. The next website is Canvas. Canvas has your class assignments and lessons. You guys only have live class twice a week. It is imperative that you are on Canvas Monday through Friday. On your asynchronous days, you still need to be engaged and working on your activities. And finally, you have your online textbook. So this houses your textbook assignments and tests. Next tip I have for you on how to be successful is join your synchronous class. A lot of you are missing your synchronous classes, and it is not just once, but multiple times. Join that class, get connected, be on time, stay until I dismiss you. There is time built throughout the lessons to ask questions. I also try to plan time at the end for students who need a little bit of extra help. So join us. We are welcome. We want you to join our class. Ask questions. So help time is open to all students Monday through Thursday from 12 to 12:30 p.m. All you need to do to join is click that live lesson link on Canvas. You can click it if you need help finding your assignments, if you need help on the assignment, or if you just need help understanding the course material in general. Please do not join after 12:30 because I do have a class at 12:40 p.m. And my last number 1 tip for you to be successful in ELA class is to complete your assignments. It is impossible for me to give you credit if you are not submitting your assignments. I need you guys to work on checking your email daily. Also, we need to figure out how do we get to our online textbook. So if you are in Rapid Identity, where you know you have access to Canvas and you have access to PowerSchool, which houses your grades, then you will also have an EasyBridge app. You can click on that app. On the right-hand side of the screen is this Realize bar. You can click on that, and it will take you to your online textbook. Once you're in your online textbook, you click that Center Classes tab, and it will take you to your assignments. For me, I just have to scroll around a little bit. But you can see you have all of your assignments. My tabs are a little bit different than yours. I have assignments by class and assignments by student. You will have not started, in progress, and completed. So right now, if you open up your online textbook and you have anything except for this selection test for an hour with Abuelo and an hour with Abuelo student edition, if you have any other assignments beside those sitting in your not opened or your in progress tabs, then those are assignments that you probably have a 0 on. Please go ahead on and finish those and submit those. Let's talk about Canvas. So every day you should be in Canvas engaging in your course material. You should be checking the announcements daily. There are important things. I also post a daily video for you. If you are not in class that day, it is an asynchronous day, or maybe you just slept in, something happened, you had an appointment. There's a video that runs you through what we did in class that day, just so you get that teacher help and teacher support. Your module is always in Canvas from now on. We have September 28th through October 2nd. That is our current module. We set up our modules with module resources, and then each day you have the day of the week, and then you have the activities. If you click on the day of the week, then it gives you our weekly text, it gives you our learning goal, our daily agenda, meaning what you need to complete that day, and I tried to click and put the attendance form in there for you. And there you have it. That is how you be successful in ELA. I look forward to working with you this year. If you have missing assignments, please get them submitted as soon as possible.